Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to synchronize your order from Shopify store to Shiprocket. Right now as you can see we are into admin dashboard of Shopify and we have simply clicked on orders and we have simply selected that particular order which we want to synchronize to our Shiprocket, right? So we have simply selected it and now we will simply click on triple dot and here you will see an option of Ship with Shiprocket in the apps. You just need to click on it and it would automatically redirect you to your Shiprocket account, right? So make sure to log in your Shiprocket account in a new tab before doing this process in the same browser. Okay, so we are into Shiprocket and here that particular order have been synchronized automatically, right? So here we will simply cross these all pop-ups and scroll down, right? And as you can see the order is getting reflected over here. Now we can simply ship that order and Shiprocket guy would automatically come for picking up this particular order. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.